1947, India is independent nation now as the preamble of Indian Constitution states itself as a sovereign, secular and democratic country. On Independence Day, a huge ceremony is held at Rajpath where the program arranged by the flag hosting for the hands of Honorable Prime Minister of India as the tricolor fly in the air. We start national anthem, firing 21 guns. The national anthem is played and flowers are downpoured from the helicopter. All the forces put up the parade. In this way we celebrate our Independence Day. I will stop for this Urdu stanza. मुझे ना तन चाहिए ना धन चाहिए, मुझे ना तन चाहिए ना धन चाहिए, बस अमन से भरा ये वतन चाहिए। जब तक